Dear friends, in set chapter, next point is complement of a set. If U is a universal set and A is a subset of universal set, then the set of all the elements of universal set but not the elements of the set A are called as complement of the set A. It is denoted by A dash and is read as complement of set A. So this is read as complement of set A. Let us try to understand by Venn diagram. So if this is a Venn diagram and this represent a universal set, if this is set A, then the unshaded portion of the universal set is A's complement. So if this is set A, then this part, unshaded part, is complement of set A. So this all part is complement of set A. Next is example 20. Let U be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and A is the set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find A's complement. It means now we are given that A's complement is the set of all the elements which are not in A but in U. So A's complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements which are there in universal set but not in A's set. Now this can be represented by Venn diagram something like this. So this is the set A. It is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the elements outside the set A. This is universal set. So this is A set and this is universal set. All this now shaded portion represents A's complement. Now 21st question is, let U be the universal set of all the students of class 11. It means it is a set of X such that X is a student of class 11 of a co-educational school. Now A is the set of all the girls. So A is the set of X such that X is girl of class 11. Now A's complement means it is a set of those elements which are the elements of universal set but not the elements of A. It means it is a set of X such that X is a boy of class 11. From this we understand that A is a complement, A is a subset of universal set. A's complement is also a subset of universal set, and A union A complement is equal to universal set. Please note this is union symbol and this is universal set. Here you can understand X is a girl and here X is a boy, means this together make us total students of class 11. So A union A complement is equal to universal set. Next 22nd question is, let U be the universal set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A is the set of 2, 3, B is the set of 3, 4, 5. Find A complement. So A complement means set of the elements which are there in universal set but not in A. So A's complement is equal to set of, we have to eliminate 2, 3, so it will be 1, 4, 5, 6. Then B's complement is the set of the elements which are there in universal set but not in D. So it is a set of 1, 2 and 6. Now next is A complement intersection B complement. Please note this intersection means common to both. A intersection is this intersection B's complement. So common to both are 1 and 6. Then A union B is equal to set of all the elements of the set A and B, that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are asked to find, hence show that A union B is complement. So complement of this set, A union B is complement, is equal to, it means the elements which are there in universal set but not in this, is equal to, which are there in universal set but not in this, are 1 and 6. So please note, a complement of A union B, this is complement of A union B, is equal to, A union B is complement of A union B is equal to A's complement intersection B's complement. So we have A union B's complement is equal to A's complement intersection B's complement. See, the next point is De Morgan's law. First law is the complement of the union of two sets. So if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets, and then the complement of union of two sets. So first we have to take union. This is A union B's complement. That is complement of union of two sets is the intersection of their complement. So this is equal to intersection of their complements, means these are their complements and intersection of their complement. This is A union B's complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second law is the complement of the intersection of two sets. Try to understand the complement of intersection. First let us write intersection of two sets. This is intersection of two sets. Now complement, its complement. The complement of intersection of two sets is equal to union of their complements. So their complements are, these are their complements, and union. So union of their complement. It means A intersection B's complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Next point is properties of complement of a set. So if, let us take some example. If U is the set, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A is the set of 1 and 2, and B is the set of 3 and 4. Then A union A complement. So A's complement is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, and B's complement is equal to set of 1, 2, and 5. Now please try to understand A union A's complement. So A and A union, if you combine these two sets, union means set of all the elements of these two sets, you will notice that A union A complement is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it is a set of universal set itself. So A union A complement is equal to universal set itself. Then A intersection A's complement is equal to null set. Try to understand. Intersection means common element. Now A and A complement. Let us check any common element is there. You will always notice that they don't have any common element. A and A complement is not having any common element. B and B's complement is not having any common element. It means it is always equal to null set. That is A union A dash, A intersection A dash is equal to 5, and B intersection B dash is equal to also 5. It means the set and its complement have no common element. Then next is, this is De Morgan's law. We have already studied. A union complement of union of two sets is equal to intersection of their complements. One example we have already studied. So if A and B, you combine A union B is equal to set of A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, and its complement. So A union B's complement is equal to set of 5. Now this is A union B's complement. Now let us check right hand side of this. A complement is this, and B's complement is this. So A's complement and B's complement. A complement intersection B complement. It means common element to A complement and common element to B complement is 5. So you will always notice that A union B's complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So this is first law. Second law is A intersection B's complement. Let us check. Now A intersection B means common to both. A intersection B, that is common to A and B, is no element. So A intersection B is equal to 5. Now its complement. its complement A intersection B is equal to set of universal set, means it is equal to universal set itself, that is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now it complement of A intersection, sorry, this is a complement of A intersection B is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5. Now let us take A complement union B complement, that is union of this set and this set. A union A complement and B complement. If you take A complement union B complement, we will get the set of 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, that is the universal set. Again, second De Morgan's law can also be verified. You will get A intersection B's complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Then next, A complements complement is equal to the set itself. Then phi's complement is the universal set and complement of the universal set is equal to phi. This can also be understood with the help of Venn diagram. So if this is a set A, this is set B, then A and A complement. So if this is a set A, outside set is A complement, you will notice that A and A together makes universal set. So A and A complement is equal to universal set. Second is A intersection A complement. Please note, they don't have any common element. So A intersection A complement is equal to null set. Then A union B, if this is a set A, this is a set A and this is a set B, then A union B's complement means this outside part which is not the part of A and B both. So this shaded portion represents complement of A union B is equal to A's complement. A's complement means which is outside A and B's complement means again outside A. So you will get A union B's complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This fourth law can also be understood. A intersection B's complement. This part is A intersection B. Now all other part, this unshaded part as well as this shaded part, such type of slant lines also indicates, or you can say this is total is complement of A intersection B and A intersection union B intersect. A complement union B complement, you will notice that they have the same region. Then A complements complement. Understand, if this is a set, its complement is outside and outside's complement is again the set itself. So complement of a complement is the set itself. Then complement of the null set, there is a null set inside which doesn't represent even a point. So null set's complement is equal to universal set and universal set's complement is equal to null